Now we come to the composite materials and reinforcement. So what are the composite materials and what are reinforcement? Okay, so first we will go with the definitions. The composite materials. A composite material is a combination of the two or more distinct materials, okay, that when combined result in a material with enhanced properties compared to the individual components. These material consist of, okay, so here we are basically mixing two materials, okay, to improve the beginning one. I mean the parent one, the main material, which you can say, which is known as a matrix, is going to, you know, have enhanced properties. Okay, that's why we mixed some other foreign elements here. Okay, so the main material which is known as here is a matrix, and the second one which supports, which is known as reinforcement. Okay, the best example of the composite is our, pillars, beams. They all are just example of the composites, in which the concrete, cement and sands, they all are combining together as known as matrix. But reinforcement is the filler. Okay, so what are the reinforcement? Sorry, reinforcement are the concrete, cements, and sands. They are the reinforcement, but matrix, they are of having the rod or the iron, right? So that is, the binder. They supports them. So the continuous phase that holds the reinforcement in place. Example: the polymers, metals, ceramics. Okay. If we talk about the reinforcement filler, the disposed phase that enhance the strength, stiffness, or other properties. Example: the fiber, particles, viscous. So matrix, I mean, in a composite we are having the two terms, which is the matrix and reinforcement. Matrix basically, supports the structure, kind of. They supports, the overall materials, and reinforcement, they are having less effect, but they providing the strength to the main component. Okay, so matrix is the main things. Okay, but we cannot stand, I suppose you have just made a, uh, kind of a structure of rod, okay, binding together. They can sustain? No. So for that reason we fill with, concrete and all that, so that they can support them. Okay,